Mom and Kid Zone, one of the busiest areas of all shopping malls. People who are expecting or have children must make a stop here every time. NORA by AREEYA Property is a brand new townhome in a minimal cozy style that targets new families with children. By introducing NORA House, the mini blocks architecture was created from a real architecture design of NORA House to a toy model in the scale of 1:1000 with the total of 1,634 pieces. This mini blocks has a starting price of 2.99 million baht and is located in areas with the most traffic. This has drawn people's attention to look at model and drawn significant number of walk-in visitors to the site. NORA by AREEYA Property.